Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Welcome to the Tracy Show, and we're going to start right with the Diddy trial today, just like I told you yesterday. So let's start. I will not hold you. Now, this is before the jurors are brought in. Judge Subramanian says, I hope everyone had a good weekend. The defense motion of a nap instruction to the jury, the witness Bongolian committed perjury. She was questioned at length on this. I deny the defense's motion. Take that, he said. Now on juror 6. He continues. Last week, the defense opposed further questioning the juror. I took time to consider. The defense observes in its June 15 letter here. So they show him the letter. I guess he's looking at the letter. And now the judge continues. The record raised serious concerns about the juror shading his answers to be on the jury. The shifting answers raised questions about the juror's credibility. So the court indicated juror 6 should be dismissed. The defense now urges further questioning. The defense raised concerns about replacing an African American juror with a white one and cite a Second Circuit case. The court takes this seriously, but further questioning is inappropriate and might negatively impact the jury. This is why we have alternates. Judge Subramanian, do your thing. Let them know. Let them know what time it is. Let them know what time it is. He continues. Mr. Donaldson praised the diversity of this jury and said the process worked wonderfully. The defense asked the court to base its decision on race. That would be inappropriate. So juror 6 is excused and is replaced by the first alternate. You heard that? I told you. Yesterday, go check out my video from yesterday. I told you. Judge, he continues, as the defense allegations prosecutorial misconduct here that is inviting the court to make a decision based on race and cannot be granted as to the issue about another juror that arose on Friday in sealed session. No info made public. Another juror? Oh my. Judge is still talking. So I will question that juror at the end of today's session. The party should tell me if we clear the courtroom or do it in the robing room. In any event, public and press not allowed to hear the report in real time. If juror gone, why robing room? Ooh, the judge is getting down. So they take a little break. All right, now the judge enters. Welcome back. The government may call its next witness. Asa. First, some exhibits entered under seal, subject to connection. Now we call our first witness, Ms. Sanker. It's Anyana Sanker, paralegal specialist at U.S. Attorney's Office. Asa. What did you work on in this case? Sanker. 2 summary charts I was asked to verify the accuracy of. Asa, can you describe the documents underlying these charts? Sanker. 100s of pages. Asa. Who is this message? Who is in the messages in the chart? Sanker. Christina Korn. Where is she? If she don't get her butt up there, she going to jail. But let's keep going. Asa. And whose cell number is this? Sanker says Brandon Paul. I wonder if he's going to testify today. Let's keep going. Asa. How did Miss Korn respond to Mr. Lopez about seeing the escort? Sanker. 4 laughing emojis. How long is he going to be awake? Asa. And this one from January 30th, 2023? It is an audio file? Sanker. Yes. Asa. Miss Foster, please play the first minute and 10 seconds. Audio playing of a female voice. Two things were weird. The only person who knew was you. Someone found an iPad. This is Inner City Press letting us know what's going on. And of course, we can't hear the audio, but he's letting us know what's going on in the courtroom. So shout out to Inner City Press because he is doing a wonderful, wonderful job. Also, what did Christina Korn said? What did Christina Korn said in this? Sanker. She says he's going to the Four Seasons and wants you to bring Gatorade and chicken noodle soup. Lord. Also, read these. I'll be Dave Shirley. Rock riding with him. Sanker as KK. No to Rock. Oh, she's acting as if she was KK. So Sanker, she's acting as if she's KK right now. So really, KK says, Christina Korn says, can you run 4,000 cash from Rock to the hotel? Asa as Dave Shirley. Sure. Asa as KK. Heads up, he's about to do Wild King tonight. Asa as Dave Shirley. Forget to pick up the money. Just give it to Fahim, just in case. Asa. What does the hotel write to Miss Coram? Sanker. The hotel called Paul is coming up. Asa. Does Paul appear elsewhere in the chart? Sanker. Yes. Asa. Let's turn off the exhibit screens in the public. Judge. Just let me know when they are off. Asa. Please read these between Jane and Miss Coram. Sanker SKK. Ask them if they can bring up 15 bath towels. Asa as Jane. He always brings between 5 and 10. They are expecting people to leave the presidential suite at 1 p.m. Sanker SKK. We are taking off. Lord. Asa. What are these about? Sanker. They are setting up for a flight for Jane. Asa. What's this? Sanker. Flight information from Jessica. Rules to KK for Arthur Jr. Paul. Asa. And these? Can you pick up the cash for Guado at Mapleton? Asa as Jane. Yes. Wow. Oh, Juror 6 was originally supposed to be Juror 58. I will show that later. Inner City Press says, Asa and Sanker are reading out Corm's text messages. This is how they are doing it. So, I'm sorry as well. And he's letting everybody that's following him, sorry if everything comes off to be unclear. Totally understood. I actually had to take a break and look at it like, what is going on? Because things are like backwards. But I'm going to try to do the best that I can. So about, I read that already. Okay, so about 10:55 a.m. they restart. Asa, Mr. Sanker, what does this exhibit show? Sanker, messages of Sean Combs and Damian Butler, a.k.a. Rock and Mia. Asa, turn off the screens to the public. Impressed. So they take a break. And I don't see if they are back yet. Hold on. Wait a minute. Okay, the latest that I see is Asa. Did you have any other involvement in this case? Sanker, no. Okay, so let me go back to here and I will lead up to there. Okay, so first, Asa, she's reading as Mia. I am on this island off the coast of Honduras. Sanker as D-Rock. I'd love to hear about Honduras. Let me know how I can send you something. Asa as Mia. I never asked for anything. Sanker as D-Rock. I'm allowed to send my sister a gift. Asa as Mia to D-Rock. Oh, this is confusing. I didn't have my phone. I was scuba diving. Okay, I remember when she says that. She says that Sanker as, or he says that, I'm sorry. Sanker as D-Rock. We're opening up a new restaurant on the 17th, he says. He doesn't want anything from you. Asa as Mia. Super smart to stay in your bubble. Asa, did you have any other involvement in this case? Sanker, no. Asa, no further questions. Judge, Mr. Garagos, Combs, lawyer, Teeny Garagos, Miss Sanker, this message from Damian Butler to Sean Combs. Let's pull up the exhibit, line 363, days earlier, the legal filing. Now they are taking a break. While they are on break, let me say that if you have not checked out my last video, last night, Vance Belter, I think that is how he pronounces his name, the one who did the pow-powing on the four lawmakers, has been caught and is detained. Yes, hand clap to that. Hand clap to that. I'm going to keep going and waiting on what's next for Diddy. Now, I did find out that Brendan Paul, which is the rug mule, is supposed to testify. Yes, he is. And this might be the straw that's going to break the camel's back. Oh, Diddy. Diddy, you did it. You cooked. You cooked. Oh, my goodness. This is horrible. This is horrible. You went from hip-hop boss, and everyone looked at you as such a leader. Now don't nobody want to follow you, and they all testifying. They say, I'm not following that way. No, I'm not following that way. I wonder if anybody else is going to show up in this courtroom besides Kanye to show any type of support to Diddy. I don't think so. Absolutely not, is what they're saying. Absolutely not. I know one thing. Judge Submaranian was not playing this morning. He got up there and said, look here. This is not about race. And for you to even suggest such a thing is inappropriate to my courtroom. I know that's right. He was telling Harry. Let me get y'all all straight before we even call the first witness. Let me get you straight before we even call in the jurors. Get yourselves together. This is my courtroom. Diddy don't run nothing up in here. And Diddy, if you look at the jurors funny or nod your head or do anything, you know the judge said he's going to put you out, and you not even going to be able to sit at your own trial. You better get it together. Judge ain't playing. The judge is not playing with none of y'all. And now there's a second juror that's going to have to, that may have to be removed. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is going to be a mess. Well, I'm going to come back when they start up again, because the judge has said what he had to say, and now there's a second juror that might need to be removed. This is a mess. This is a mess. No wonder Diddy is asking for another mistrial. I think this will be his third time asking for a mistrial. Let me know in the comments if you think this should be a mistrial, or do you think that they should just continue with the alternates? And on the way out, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm still here. Don't forget, like, share, comment, and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Hit the like button. It is free. Subscribe. It is free. OMG. Everything is free. Go do it. Don't make me come back.